Hey, my dear student, I am thinking that I should be share my story, like educate story, and I think it is deliver our some insight, yeah, our some fact, yeah, code to build you a better life. So actually, I am come from a very humble and a poor background, like a farming. My father is a farmer, and my mother is a housemaker. And I am the first girl to become a engineer to go outside stage and to studied about as a engineer's field like electronic and communication engineering, and in which I have studies about ECE and also data scientist, and because it is my self study, all these things like EDA, Python, R, and data analysis and data visuals. I have did from my self study to purchase to with the help of a Scalar Academy या फिर EDX या फिर CS50 from the Harvard University. I have built a lots of a project with the help of a machine learning libraries, and and uh, work with the communities like Oracle community, IBM community, and to interact with my senior and coordinates with my equally employee, which is already worked on a IBM company as a machine learning engineers, and to within parallelly I have also worked with the Google community like IIT Kharagpur to build on the real world project. First one is the weather forecasting and agriculture based, and and data predictions. So today in market, I am tells you something about like which type of the skills, yeah, which type of a product, a project you should be worked on this. So I think first, if you want to join a banking sector, so you should we learn about centralized our decentralized banking system, and on the behalf then you must be worked on the project like uh, in finance, and I think pythons and R language is very important for this, and R language which is also used in statics, and statics are two types, a quantitative and a qualitative. And today market first one is the banking, and second one is hospitals. Hospitals. There are a lots of it customers are are living and coming individuals or handicapped citizens. So you should be like you should be learn in new skills on the basis of agriculture to resolve a problem like which type of a farmers right now are facing of a problems like soil type of a problem, yeah, our nutrients, our pesticide, yeah, our weather predictions, yeah, our weather forecasting. This type of a project you should be worked on this. I think machine learning's algorithms, yeah, scikit-learn library uh, algorithm and some data. It is very easy for a data science student then which can be easily build a project on the basis of this situation. So right now I am working on the banking system. Right now I am working on the banking project, which is to handle the tokenized and the centralized data set, Java database. So I am going on and how to build your a portfolio, Java a prototype to work on this type of a project. Right now, I am working on the banking project, which is based on the tokenized Java, decentralized. So, you should be worked on this type of a project. And if I am telling you uh, what should be you like our type of approach you should be followed. So first one is you should be focused on your code because code foundations is very essential in this field. And second one is a theoretical to learn the core skills and adapt it. And third is your practical skills, like to build a some project, not on using AI, but it should be worked by yourself. And at the college of a first year, I think I will prefer to build a networks and build a community to share your problems and solutions and what is the right approach to follow it and resolve it problems. I think it is the best way to get a best approach and to get a higher salary package. If you are a college student at the first year, please build your portfolio and build your community and networks and worked on this and also build your a soft, yeah, and hard communication skills which can easily interact with your uh, seniors, our colleagues, your mentor. Bye. Have a nice day, my students.